You've probably heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe even Dogecoin, but have you heard of Shiba Inu? No, I'm not talking about the adorable Japanese dog breed. I'm talking about how the cryptocurrency has been turning heads and raising eyebrows. There's a huge possibility that holding 1 million Shiba Inu coins could potentially make you part of the 1%. But why? What's all the fuss about? Journey of Shiba Inu coins. Well, turns out it's not just about the cute dog logo or the meme culture that surrounds it. It's actually about the potential it holds. Shiba Inu, or SHIB as it's often called, is a decentralized cryptocurrency that was created in August 2020 by an anonymous person known as Ryoshi. Yeah, I know, same as Bitcoin. What's so special about this is that SHIB is an ERC20 token, which means it's built on the Ethereum blockchain. For those of you who aren't crypto nerds like me, Ethereum is like the internet of the crypto world. It's a whole platform that allows developers to build and deploy their own cryptocurrencies, among other things. So, being an ERC20 token means that Shiba Inu gets to benefit from Ethereum's robust and very secure infrastructure. The creators of Shiba Inu wanted to create a crypto that was truly community-driven. And I mean the Shiba Inu community, or the Shiba Army as they like to call themselves, is one of the most passionate and dedicated out there. They're constantly spreading the word about Shiba Inu, contributing to its development, and even creating Shiba Inu-themed artwork and memes. It's this community spirit that has played a huge role in Shiba Inu's success. Talking about memes, some of you might be curious. Why are people so crazy about meme coins? After all, it's just a coin with a dog's face on it, right? Well, there's an interesting psychology that states investing in meme coins is more about being a part of a community, a movement, dare I say it, a meme. There's also the thrill factor involved, the camaraderie of the Shiba Army, and the satisfaction of knowing that you're in on the joke. And if we look at the bigger picture, in today's digital age, memes are more than just funny pictures on the internet. They're a language, a form of expression, a way of life. And when you combine the viral nature of memes with the potential profits of cryptocurrency, well, you've got yourself a recipe for meme coin mania. Coming back to our topic, there are 1 quadrillion Shiba Inu coins in existence. Yes, 1 quadrillion. That's 15 zeros for those of you counting at home. Interestingly, the creators of Shiba Inu decided to send half of the total supply to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. In a surprising move, in May 2021, Buterin burned 40% of the total supply of Shiba Inu coins. For those of you who aren't familiar with the term, burning in the crypto world means sending coins to an unusable account, effectively removing them from circulation. This move reduced the supply of Shiba Inu coins and increased the value of the remaining coins. Over the past few years, Shiba Inu has hit several milestones, including reaching a market cap of over 13 billion at the end of 2021. And despite the ups and downs, the Shiba Army has remained loyal and committed to the coin's success. Some of you might own Litecoin or just heard about it. Well, let me tell you, in the crypto world, everything is interconnected. And in this case, you can actually convert Litecoin to Shiba Inu coins. Shiba Inu today. Today, first Litecoin is equivalent to approximately 356 million Shiba Inu coins. So, if you're a Litecoin holder looking to join the Shiba Army, you're in luck. Shiba Inu is one of the top cryptocurrencies in the market nowadays. Wait, top cryptocurrencies? Man, isn't that Bitcoin or Ethereum? Well, yeah, Bitcoin and Ethereum are indeed the top dogs in the crypto world. But Shiba Inu isn't far behind. It has a market cap of around 1458 billion. This puts this crypto in the top 12 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Not bad for a coin that started as a meme, right? One Shiba Inu coin is worth around 2025. I know that doesn't sound like much, but remember, we're dealing with a huge supply of coins here. And when you consider that Shiba Inu started at a price of $0,001, that's a pretty impressive increase. There's an overall bullish sentiment in the crypto market. With more and more people getting interested in cryptocurrencies, coins like Shiba Inu are getting a lot of attention. Secondly, there's the active and dedicated community that I mentioned earlier. And yeah, there's the fact that Shiba Inu is listed on major exchanges, making it easily accessible to a wide range of investors. Here's an interesting fact for you guys. Remember Kabosu? No, that's not a new sushi roll. Kabosu is actually the name of the Shiba Inu dog that became the face of Dogecoin. And recently her photo sold as an NFT for a whopping $4.22 million. It just goes to show the power of the Shiba Inu brand. If a picture of a Shiba Inu dog can sell for millions, just imagine what the actual Shiba Inu coin can do. Shiba Inu's latest news. Shiba Inu's marketing lead, Lucy, recently announced some big plans for 2024. These include new play-to-earn games, the launch of Shiba Hub, and Shiboshis, all on the Shibarium network. They also hinted at significant developments in the SHIB metaverse. Now, I don't know about you, but we're excited to see what the future holds for Shiba Inu. We're planning to make videos on this too. There are also some predictions that Shiba Inu could reach 1 nam by the end of 2025. Sounds like a long shot. However, if we look at more reliable sources and experts, they believe that Shiba Inu could reach Neo 15 by 2030. Robinhood and Shiba Inu. Now, if you've been following the crypto news, you've probably heard about Robinhood. No, not the legendary outlaw who stole from the rich and gave to the poor. I'm talking about the popular trading platform that's been making headlines in the crypto world. So, what does Robinhood have to do with Shiba Inu? Well, a lot actually. Robinhood is one of the largest and most popular trading platforms out there. And recently they listed Shiba Inu on their platform. Robinhood has made these coins more accessible to a whole new audience of potential investors. The more people who can buy Shiba Inu, the higher the demand, and as we all know, when demand goes up, so does the price. The listing also brings a level of legitimacy to Shiba Inu. After all, Robinhood is a reputable platform, and their decision to list Shiba Inu is a vote of confidence in the coin. And the effects of the listing are already being felt. Since being listed on Robinhood, Shiba Inu has seen a surge in popularity and price. Some even speculate that this could drive the price of Shiba Inu to Derpo 10 soon. I know all of the predictions at the moment. Moving on, let's talk about how you can get your hands on some Shiba Inu coins. The process is quite simple, even for beginners. First, you'll need a place to store your coins. This is where a digital wallet comes in. There are many free wallets available like Coinbase Wallet and MetaMask. Since Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token, you'll need Ethereum to buy it. You can purchase Ethereum directly on the platform where you set up your digital wallet. Next, you need to go to a decentralized exchange. Platforms like Uniswap or Shibaswap, yes, Shiba Inu has its own DEX, allow users to swap Ethereum for Shiba Inu. On the DEX, there will be an option to swap Ethereum for Shiba Inu. Enter the amount you wish to swap, review the transaction details, and hit swap. After hitting swap, you'll be asked to confirm the transaction. Make sure to double-check all the details before confirming. Well, congratulations! You're now a proud owner of Shiba Inu coins, or should I say, welcome to the Shiba Army. Before we wrap up, let's talk about Shiba Inu's own DEX, Shibaswap. It operates differently from centralized platforms such as Binance and Kraken by allowing users to swap tokens without the need for an intermediary or counterparty. Launched in July 2021, Shibaswap provides many of the same functions you would find on Uniswap and other decentralized exchanges such as token swapping and liquidity pools. But it also offers features like staking, governance, and even a Shiboshi's non-fungible token, NFT marketplace. Fueling Shibaswap are 3 tokens at the moment: Shiba Inu, SHIB, Bone Shibaswap, Bone, and Doge Killer, Leash. All these tokens play a unique role in the Shibaswap ecosystem. Like Bone functions as the platform's governance token, allowing holders to propose and vote on changes to the Shibaswap protocol. The impact of Shibaswap on the Shiba Inu community has been significant. It has not only provided a platform for trading and earning rewards, but also fostered a sense of community among SHIB holders. The intro of Shibaswap has also contributed to the overall popularity and market performance of Shiba Inu. And that's a wrap. Holding 1 million Shiba Inu coins could potentially make you part of the 1%. but it's a long shot, so you need to think long term. Do you hold any Shiba Inu coins? What do you think about its future prospects? Do you agree with the price predictions? Drop your comments below. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on what is the future of XRP. Will it be more than Bitcoin? XRP news today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.